what's going on everybody? My name is Nate Hamilton. We wanted to create this video to give you an update on the print shop, the race shop, and 144 as a whole. So wanted to show you guys around the shop. We'll take a little tour. Today is kind of a block party here with our entire block, so things are gonna be a bit hectic, a little more hectic than normal. But with that being said, try to walk you guys around before things get too crazy and give you some insight on 144. This is a storefront. So obviously with the print shop, it helps to have customers come in and kick it. This is going to be our vault. For the current status, it's everything we've printed, kind of showcase quality and shit like that. Here's gonna be a little bit of board of things that are happening. We had our local artist, Brooklyn, come through and jazz us up. So a little bit of nature, some BC Racing coilovers, some snacks for the kids, some candy, if you will. You'll find kind of hints of Diamond O'Brien. Good dude. One of our favorite artists local here. Old school fridge, probably stacked with some waters and some beers. Again, we're having an open house, so it's going down. All beer, no water. Max, Tristan, little co-op workspace for people to come in, hang out, use the Wi-Fi. Let's get into the shop. All right, welcome to the print shop. This is our auto. This is our manual. This is our trusty oven back here, curing all the shirts. Some interesting things going down today. We're gonna do a screen your own koozie. But you're gonna grab your own koozie. I'm just gonna let people have some fun. See how theirs come out, should be cool. So yeah, screen print area turns into embroidery area. And then a little corner of 144's products, stuff that's on our website. So this is everything that we create for fun. Like I shouted out Diamond O'Brien earlier, super cool dude, doing a lot of the cartoon animated stuff. So yeah, thanks to everybody ordering gear. This hopefully just keeps expanding into more and more stuff. Another thing going down today, Fortune Wraps, who wrapped our car. They are here. They are going to do some little live action. This happened at Clutch Kickers. Dad fixed it, all good. Fortune Wraps is here today. They're gonna do a little live action, butter this thing up for us. So, pretty cool. This is where the print shop meets the race shop. This is my mechanic Dave's area here. Max Speed Patrol, he's usually in the shop. But again, block party today, so we got some outside activation going on. Let's check it out. So I almost skipped all the way over the 370Z in the shop. This is home, right? So it came back from Xiaomi Garage. There's a lot of detail that we could talk about, so we'll save this for another video. But the good news is we got the car back. A lot of the fabrication is done, and she looks really, really good. This is the future car for us here at 144. Yes, sir. So a lot of work to be done on the 370Z, but today is the block party. We went ahead and popped out our tent, basically created like a little pit activation, if you will. We got myself, Max hanging out. The local community is having a block party, which we're excited about. So today should be really fun. The block party is kind of just now getting set up, so let's let some things come around and we'll kick it again. Let's just run down the line here and say hi. Ah! Shout out, Cambio, DJ, coming through for the block party. Music's good, jamming.
I appreciate
Thank
that.
you.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Let's get it. About to shout out Tony right here. It's my boy.
What's up, man?
Tony, just want to give you a little plug on camera if that's cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
So Boca 31. Tony, what you got out here? What's good?
Well, we got some tacos today, so I went ahead and brought sweet potato and black bean tacos.
Hey.
For the veggies.
That's right.
Homies.
That's me right here.
And then we got the pulled pork one. So that's gonna have a little bit of pico de gallo. And then we have our most popular tacos, the chicken pastor taco. So
beautiful.
That one. We also have some smoked queso over here, some chips, rojas salsa, and verde.
Hey.
Brought the house, dude.
What's up?
What's up?
Neighbors, kicking it. Obviously, these are our next door neighbors. What's up with after hours? Like, what do you guys do?
So we do everything.
All of it.
So we do everything from lifted to lowered, performance, drivetrain, anything you can think of. We
Basic,
can do it.
regular repairs, anything and everything.
That's right.
So we are Denton's leading supplier of Cajun food in general.
Yeah.
Primarily crawfish.
That's right.
But we do shrimp, blue crab, veggies, corn, whatever you need for your bayou hootenanny essentially.
Yes. Is there any way to like build a plate together?
Yeah. So you're gonna take one of these right here. You're gonna load up on sausage.
Ooh.
Don't do too much of sausage because
Okay.
you're gonna miss room for your crawfish.
All right, we'll grab like two of these kids.
There you go. So then you're gonna hit your veggies. It's all got the same.
Ooh.
It's got the same Cajun seasoning on it. So
Okay.
you're gonna get your corn and potatoes there.
Damn.
Yep. So we soak this for about an hour in our
Yes.
Cajun seasoning.
Let's go.
It's gonna be gonna have some good Cajun heat on there.
That's a hefty rollout.
You just load up. No, go crazy. Here. Man, there you go.
Love it.
All right. Well,
Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Yeah, I got a little bit amped up. Was able to do some donuts. Look at that. We got a drift track out here. So from here, it was a great open house. After hours, crawfish, Boca. Everyone was super cool. Thank you guys for being here. Hope this video kind of gave you some insight on where we're at with 144. We'll talk soon.